Hello everyone. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence 2 times after me. I am ready. I am ready. Let's begin. Let's begin. Please come in. Please come in. Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Take your time. Take your time. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's enough. That's enough. I understand now. I understand now. I don't know. I don't know. I am not sure. I am not sure. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Of course. Of course. Certainly. Certainly. It's okay. It's okay. Never mind. Never mind. Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm feeling better. I'm feeling better. I need some help. I need some help. Can you help me? Can you help me? Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. You're welcome. You're welcome. My pleasure. My pleasure. I live nearby. I live nearby. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. I work from home. I work from home. I love my job. I love my job. I enjoy learning. I enjoy learning. I like reading books. I like reading books. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. I enjoy singing. I enjoy singing. I like dancing. I like dancing. I love traveling. I love traveling. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking. I like gardening. I like gardening. I love photography. I love photography. I enjoy spending time with family. I enjoy spending time with family. Keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. Success is possible. Success is possible. Stay focused on your goals. Stay focused on your goals. See you in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson. Great job. Practice these sentences every day. Repeat, repeat, and repeat. The more you speak, the more confident you become. See you in the next English practice video.